St. Mary is known for many wonderful things. Banana, the main ingredient of our favorite chips. The Eastern Parish is also home to cultural greats and emblems. But there is another venue close to its capital that will take your stress away.
Round the Bend takes us to Strawberry Fields Together in the parish of St. Mary. The Ministry of Tourism endorsed eco-friendly resort.
Welcome to Strawberry Fields Together. Yours to enjoy and discover. Keep it beautiful. Strawberry Fields Together. Yeah, it's situated in Robins Bay, and just on the coastal area, you know, bordered by the Don Christopher Point, you know, historic, where they say it's a site where the last battle fought at sea between the English and the Spanish took place. So there's a lot of historic, you know. Even some explorers were exploring off the coast, and they say they came across an anchor that they say they could be affiliated to one of Columbus' ships, Santa Maria or something, which sank somewhere off the coast. So they are actually in the process of doing more studies on that to see if that's a reality.
There are several other reasons the Tourism Ministry encourages visitors to spend a little time at Strawberry Fields Together. It sits on 18 acres of paradise. Located in the remote fishing village of Robins Bay in the parish, it offers fun and relaxation for those in need of a getaway. There are 2 white sand beach coves on the property.
White Sand Beach, which is unique in this area, because most of the beaches, you know, so it's like a real gem.
There is also an award-winning restaurant and cafe.
Good afternoon, I'd like to have lunch, please.
Good afternoon. On our menu today we have fried fish, steamed fish, or brown stew fish. Or if you want to try some of our chicken, we have fried chicken and vegetarian meals also.
My name is Jennifer Wright Mackenzie. I am the manager for this Strawberry Patch restaurant, also cook/chef. I am preparing for today some steamed fish, fried chicken, and curried chickpeas.
What's also attractive about Strawberry Fields Together? It's eco-friendly all around.
We try to get the total community involved in the whole so they can play an integral part. Because if they can share in the profits and the running of the place, I think they will help to protect the whole product.
Several of the decor pieces at the location are made by local artisans.
Welcome to Strawberry Fields Together. I'm Vidya Anderson and I will tell you about our accommodations. We have several types of accommodation, from rustic to a more modern feel. We have room for couples, while some are family orientated. We have jacuzzi, king-size bed, queen. We even have bunk beds. We have no AC, but of course, we have the ocean right there, so you get the natural cool breeze from the sea. All the rooms have hot water. Some of them have kitchen. It's a real getaway, so don't come expecting television.
You are invited with your family to experience the magic of Strawberry Fields Together. Other than staying overnight, Strawberry Fields Together is a great location for a company or school fun days. Just ask for the Jamaican group rate. Aside from that, the venue is also a great destination for weddings and family reunions. But wait, how did it get its name? As there is no strawberries around.
In the 70s and way back then, it used to be like a campground. Like it was a hippie paradise, like. People came with tents from all over the world and just pitched their tents and stayed around. And sometimes it was said that probably some member of the Beatles might have visited this place, you know. And he did a music about strawberry fields forever. So. And also they say like the hippies in those times, when they got bitten by mosquitoes, they had all these little red spots. So it was like a strawberry patch or something.
For now, come and indulge in nature at Strawberry Fields Together, where everything is real, calm and peaceful.